repeat, and we want to apologize. We got you guys here 20 minutes early. We're so sorry. If you find no request, we are going to ask you please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until we have reached the gates and the captain astronaut to fasten seatbelt sign. Also, please be careful when opening the overhead bins. Your items, they may have moved during flight. You may now use your cell phones or wireless mobile devices if they are within your reach. Go ahead and turn them off. Turn them on, text your loved ones, let them know that you've made it safely to Las Vegas. Any other guests needing any special assistance such as a wheelchair, we ask you please remain comfortably seated. Wheelchairs are not available right away. This allows the wheelchair people to make their way down the jet bridge. So once again, if you're in need of a wheelchair, just remain comfortably seated. I'll make an announcement that we're not standing around. Check baggage may be claimed at the Spirit baggage claim area. You're going to follow the signs for baggage claim. It's going to be on the lower level, and you're going to look for flight 245, Chicago 245. That's going to be your carousel number. We invite you to visit our website at spirit.com where you can check in online and comments about your flight experience, your great low fares on future flights. On behalf of all of us here at Spirit, especially myself, Selena, Candace, it certainly has been our pleasure spending part of the day with you. We want to wish you a pleasant day here in the Las Vegas area, wherever your final travels may take you today. And for those of you who call Las Vegas home, we welcome you home. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, just a few couple of things as we can make our way to our gate. If you are seated by a window, it's pretty hot here in Las Vegas. We're basically in the desert. Go ahead and close your window shades and open up your air vents. It's going to help cool the aircraft as we deplane. For those of you who smoke, we hope you quit. But if you can't make it all the way outside of the terminal, there's actually an indoor smoking area just past A7, I believe. A17, A7. So you'll see it. It's going to be to your left-hand side. It's an indoor smoking area. If you can't make it all the way out, there's a smoking area in there. And also, one final thing, it is now mandatory to wear a mask here in Las Vegas, anywhere in public. Actually, the mandate actually started today, so we don't want anybody getting in trouble. Make sure you're wearing your mask. That way you can keep yourself and other people safe. Once again, welcome to Las Vegas.
Check out my other YouTube channel, TLT Travels. Help support my channel by subscribing. Thank you. Check out these YouTube channels: The Frontiersman Travel Adventures and J. Cortez Traveler. Hello, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like and comment below. Be sure to share this video and click on the bell to get notifications for my next video. I appreciate all your support and feedback. Thank you. Be sure to join my Facebook group, The Lion Travel. Share your travel pictures, videos, and stories. I hope to see you there.